The universe is a mystery. I think we've established that. There are things in this universe that we can't even begin to comprehend. One of the strangest things scientists have pondered for years are black holes. To put it simply, a black hole is a place in space-time where nothing can escape. Even light is unable to get out. The gravity is that strong. Have you ever wondered what would happen if Earth went into a black hole? Welcome back, Curiosity viewers. Today we'll be discussing exactly that. Would we all die? What would happen to our solar system? Hang on, what the heck is spaghettification? Stay tuned till the end and find out. Not a lot of people really understand the concept of black holes. For most of us, our only exposure to them has been limited to TV and movies. It's not your fault though. On the off chance you've worked for NASA, your knowledge on the subject is probably pretty scarce. Since they are black, these holes cannot be seen with the naked eye. But not to worry, this is nothing a little technology can't handle. NASA employs the help of special telescopes and satellites. These machines travel through space learning more about these beautifully terrifying phenomena. Only a select group of nerdy scientists can even wrap their head around what these massive holes really are. I'm not going to bore you with all the complicated math and numbers. After all, I want you to stick with me. I'll just tell you this. Getting sucked into a black hole would not be fun. And if the Earth really did get sucked up, well, you better strap yourself in for what I'm about to describe. You probably think a black hole needs to be monstrous in order to consume an entire planet. Well, technically speaking, the Earth could be destroyed by a black hole the size of, ready for this? 1 millimeter. No, I'm not joking. A black hole 1 millimeter in diameter is enough to take out all of us. That's less than 1 inch in size. Wrap your head around that. This begs the question, where do black holes come from? Have you ever heard of a supernova? Sounds like a corny 80s rock band, right? A supernova is basically just a fancy word for a star explosion. When a star is too big, it will begin to collapse. These stars can be up to 20 times larger than the Sun. Most black holes are formed out of the remains of this supernova. This is where the gravitational pull comes from. All the matter from the explosion is squeezed into one small space. This is the same gravitational pull that allows a 1 millimeter hole to destroy our entire existence. Think of a black hole as a type of vacuum, only this is a vacuum hardware stores can't sell. The pull from a black hole would suck our entire atmosphere up, and it's worse than you think. So what would happen on the ground level? I mean, what exactly would we experience here on Earth if a black hole were to hit? Well, I'll put it to you this way. It's not a smooth ride. For starters, the Earth would break off into massive chunks. Everything would rumble around and fall apart. Along with this roller coaster ride from hell, the planet would experience heat unlike anything we could comprehend. The gravitational pull would create internal friction, heating the planet's core. And how bad would this heat be? The heat would resemble something out of the apocalypse. I'm talking about volcanic eruptions, earthquakes and tsunamis. Basically, everything short of frogs falling from the sky. And on the off chance that didn't scare you, well, this isn't all that would go down.